handlebar mitts are a game changer. This will lengthen your riding season considerably. I'll show you how they go on here. All right, I just got a little zipper here. And you just zip that up, and it's got two little strips of Velcro here that you take up any gaps that are in the middle here. And there it is. It's on there. And that's how fast you can take them off and on really fast. So if you got a warm day and you don't want to have them on there, just unzip it and take it off. The neat thing about the zipper is the zipper's on the opposite side. So if it turns warm while you're out there, you can unzip it like that and let the air flow through. So then you're not it doesn't get as hot. These are really warm. I mean, when it's about 45 or so, the wind blowing, you're gonna want them. Okay, then I wanted to show you how I do it on the ones that have a mirror. This has one of those mirrors that are on the end. And what I do is I just turn this out. Just like that. Get it in the right position, and you see here, I got a little hole in the end here. All I gotta do is unscrew it all the way. Stick it through that hole. And then just put the washers and everything on the inside. You can't see real well in there. You just gotta kind of feel for it. And then you just put it on just like you did the other one. Slide it on there. And you gotta just put that in the hole on the end. It's all the way up there. Tighten up as you do it. There we go. And then you do the rest just like you did on the other side. And that's how you put those on there. And they keep your hands really warm. There's the difference between being able to ride when it's cold and not being able to ride. If you keep your hands warm, you put a nice coat on your body, you can ride. The other day, the weather turned cold, and I said, oh, I can't do this no more. And then I remembered, oh, I got my handlebar mitts. I put those on there, and my hands were as warm as toast. Alrighty, it's Papa Blue Shirt. I hope that was helpful.